Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Nemotron 3 Ultra on Windows 11 operating system. So if I go into this command prompt, so here if I write Olama, then here you can see the Olama version that's displaying 30 is installed. So Olama must be installed in your system. Now, then after the next is here on Google search box right there, Olama, they go on this olama.com site. There, you need to move into this model. Then after here, you can see recently launched Nemotron 3 Ultra. Click this. So here you can see this is the command. So this is cloud-based is there. So let's copy this one. And now command prompt that's already open. Okay, let's open the new using the CLS. And here you need to paste this command. So along that run Nemotron 3 Ultra. So press enter. And here for this one net should be connected. And this come there. Here connecting to Nemotron Ultra on along. Let's simply write there hi. Oh, this is returning the output so fastly. How to run Java in desktop. So this is my question, second question. So this is now currently thinking. And here. So this is the guidelines is there. So running Java this request is displaying there. Now you can also open this right there Olama app is there. So inside the app you can also try. Minimax M3 is there. So since I just downloaded Nemotron and here you can see Nemotron Super Cloud Ultra is there. So here you can do the same thing. Test with the Mac. So this will return the output. And here this is still or writing this on method 2, their project ID and this here. After that here you can go on this command prompt. Let's write there CLS Olama again writing. So this here you can see chat with model here. You can see it. So you can select your model. So now Nemotron, okay, minimax. So this given 3. Okay, there is nothing minimax cloud. Now here you can see insert the mode Nemotron Ultra Cloud. Press enter. Now here by using this you can also use there Nemotron Ultra. Now this is there. This is returning still texting this. So various ways we can run here. Generate project 3, this one 4, and we should you choose this one. So this is the how to use the Nemotron 3 Ultra on your Nemotron Ultra in your system. Okay. So this is a cloud based you can use in Windows, Mac, Linux, anyone. But now must be there. So here our question is how to use Nemotron 3 Ultra on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.